Welcome to the Oracle Cloud Platform Partner Update.
I'm Jürgen Kress, part of the Oracle Product Management team and your host.
This month's topics include integration bootcamps to connect SaaS, digital assistant bootcamps to innovate SaaS, and our community webcast. So let's get started. For SaaS consultants who want to connect ERP, HCM, and CX services, we offer a 3-day hands-on training. The goal is to demo and to build a proof of concept of Oracle integration, including a certification. For details and registration, please see our monthly community newsletter. Upcoming locations for the rest of the fiscal year include India in January, and in February EMEA and Asia, in March Brazil, in Portuguese and the US, in April India and South America in Spanish, and in May we conclude with Asia Pacific and EMEA. To innovate Oracle SaaS with enterprise chatbots or to build conversational UIs for custom applications, we offer hands-on trainings for Oracle Digital Assistant. The goal of these workshops for developers and UI designers is to demo and build your own Oracle Digital Assistant. As part of the training, we also offer free certification. Schedules include in January US, EMEA and Asia, in March South America in Spanish, and in April US, EMEA and Asia, and in May Brazil and Portuguese. For details and registration, please see the community newsletter. This month's community webcast, Daniel Texera will give us an update on Oracle Digital Assistant and how you can build enterprise chatbots based on Oracle databases using SQL Dialog. Database developers who want to build conversational UIs, please join us on January 31st, 4:30 CET. Please visit registration page bit.ly/parswebcast. In case you're not yet a member, please register for the integration and developer partner community. Take the opportunity and attend a 3-day hands-on integration bootcamp to connect SaaS or a 1-day Oracle Digital Assistant hands-on bootcamp to innovate SaaS and to build your custom enterprise chatbots. Tune in our community webcast to learn more about Dialog SQL. Thanks for watching.